crafty friends. Hello and welcome to the release reveal with Taylor and
Whitney.
Here we are.
Yay.
It's time for another look at next week's release. Actually, not another look, a first look.
First look
at next week's release. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to walk you through the products that are coming. They are all going to be available for purchase on Tuesday at 9 a.m. Central Time.
I'm ready.
I'm excited.
I say it every time, but I get so excited. The excitement just builds for me. Right before this, I was jumping, and Taylor's like, okay, it's time.
Well, I do have to say, we've been waiting a long time for this. This has been a theme on our minds for at least 2 years, and finally it's coming to life, and I am super excited about it. It also coincides with one of my New Year's goals, I guess. I don't call them resolutions, but as you guys know, if you've been hanging around Tailored Expressions for long, we do a kit release, a card making kit on the last Tuesday of each month. And it's officially going to be the last Tuesday in January. So it's time for our first kit release of the year. Is everybody ready?
Yes!
Okay.
Yes!
Well, let's go ahead and share the theme with you guys then.
Hey.
And we're going to talk through the kit contents. We're going to talk through all of the fun changes that we will be seeing in kits this year. Here it is. Ready?
The first exciting thing.
This is called Treat Your Shelf, and this is our card making kit for January. So what will you be treating your shelf with? Well, this year I am treating my shelf with books.
Yes! It's a hobby we both love.
I do love it. And whether you read paper copies of books, or maybe you are more of an audiobook or a digital reader, however you like to enjoy your books, I think this kit has something for everybody, all of the book lovers, and I'm just really excited about it.
I am too. It came together so gorgeously.
It did.
And I mean, you're getting little tiny sneak peeks of a few new things in here. So,
yes.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, I should
I'm so excited.
Give credit to Heather because
Yes.
she was the one that pulled off the illustration for this kit and did such an amazing job bringing this concept that I've had in mind to life. So let's take a look. You will notice, maybe one of the first things you'll notice is that our kit packaging is a little bit different this year. We have this fun Velcro little closure at the top with all of your contents inside. And this is sized so that you can fit 8.5 by 11 cardstock in it. It's going to become a great little project pouch for you if you want to keep all of your kit items in here, or you can use it to store other things as well. So there you have your kit pouch with the sticker that coordinates with the kit theme. Then also new this time, we have a tailored tutorial. So each kit will come with a printed tutorial sheet. It includes all of the products and supplies, cut pieces, and all of the written instructions, even some extra pictures on how to create the project that you see on the front. So each of your kits this year will feature a tailored tutorial sheet, and this is something we're really excited about. I think this is super fun. Very nice quality paper. You can find maybe a book or something to store these in and reference as you go throughout the year.
I'm super pumped about these because I think I need instructions.
Yes.
I'm like, I can make a card that you did. This is perfect for me.
And the goal is that we want you to use your supplies as soon as you get them. So the tailored tutorial is hopefully just the jumping off point that you need to really get into the kit and start using it. And because we want you to have all of the tools to craft to your heart's content with the kit, we want to make sure you have all of the inspiration at your fingertips. So inside our kit, you will find a printout here that tells you how to access a gallery that has all of our design team projects featuring the kit all in one place.
Wow.
So just scan that QR code down at the bottom, and anytime you want to, whether it's, right when you get your kit or you're not able to sit down with it for 3 or 4 months, you still have that QR code to go visit that gallery and check out those projects and get inspired to start creating.
Love that too.
Okay, so let's get into the goodies, the stamps and the dies and the stencils and all the things that you can use in this kit to make these fun projects. Okay, so it all starts with a layering stencil. I'm going to turn this over and show you. It is a 6x6 layering stencil that creates these several images. You can kind of see them in the mock-up here. There are 2 stacks of books, a shorter stack and a taller stack. And then there are little images. There's a cat, a lamp, a coffee cup, and a candle. And I'm going to explain. You might wonder, how do all of those images fit together with books? Well, you're going to see the design team samples and find out here in just a little bit. So once you blend your layering stencil, we have the dies to cut out all of the images. These are the Treat Your Shelf coordinating dies, and in with those stacks of books, you're going to get etched details on the paper. So you'll see you have some spine detailing and some paper pages that are going to be detailed once you cut those out. Those dies do have alignment squares on them, so you're not going to be able to see through the die because of those etched details, but you will be able to line it up with the alignment squares.
Perfect.
It all works together seamlessly. Now, we're going to talk about this a little bit on my live when we get to creating, but you'll also notice there are 2 options for the lamp and 2 options for the candle. And one of the options has a cutout in the lighted part. And I'm going to explain why that is, or why you would want to use one versus the other, depending on what type of card you're going to make. And all of that is actually explained on your tailored tutorial sheet as well. But we really got excited to think outside of the box, and we are introducing a new product to our collection to help you light up these elements. So we're going to be talking a little bit more about that as well. Then we have our Treat Your Shelf clear stamp, and these sentiments are designed to perfectly fit on the spines of the books that you've stenciled. So it says fun things like, here's to your next chapter, no such thing as too many books, treat your shelf, you're a classic, and you are literally the best.
Love that.
And they're all spaced out to fit perfectly on the spines of your blended books.
That makes it so easy.
Super fun, super easy, lots of different occasions that you can cover in there as well. And then we are continuing with our insiders. It's one of the things we're known for here at Tailored Expressions. And we have the insiders for Treat Your Shelf. That's a hard one to say.
I know.
Yep. But there's some great ones in here. Wishing you stacks of joy. May this year bring you joy, excitement, and endless possibilities. Happy birthday to my favorite bookworm.
Yes.
I'm going to have to give that to Izzy, your daughter.
Izzy. She eats books for breakfast.
She just takes in books like crazy.
She's like Auntie Taylor.
I love it. And she has all the time in the world to read.
I know.
She gets up early to read. She stays up late to read. It sounds like me when I was a kid. And now I've lost a bit of time to do that in my life, but I still do love to read. Okay, so there you have the elements that are part of your kit. And as with all of our kits, we often like to add additional products that you can choose to purchase separately if you wish. We have what we're calling the Big Book Bundle for this release. So if you would like everything you just saw in the kit, plus these extras are part of our Big Book Bundle, then that is what you would click on the website. Big Book Bundle includes the kit plus the items that I'm going to talk to you about next. In case you want to be able to have more sentiment options, we have another sentiment set. This is a rubber stamp set called One for the Books, and then coordinating dies to cut those out. Whitney, what's your favorite sentiment in here?
I like big books, and I cannot lie, because that is 100% me. I'm like, is this book make me look so smart? It's so big. It's huge.
Yes, I love that one. Hope your birthday is one for the books. There's some good ones in here for bookmark making. Sleep is good, books are better. I think that one is fun.
Adorable.
So that is a stamp with coordinating dies. You can buy these separately or as part of the Big Book Bundle. Speaking of bookmarks, we also came up with a bookmark builder die. So
I'm so excited about this.
I know, I love this. It was really fun to create with, actually. You get your bookmark pieces. So this plain piece with the rounded corners fits on top of your bookmark piece so that you get a little bit of extra sturdiness. For a bookmark that is often taken in and out of the book, you want something with some weight to it. So having 2 layers is perfect. And then we also included all of the book dies. So these are die cuts of the same books that you blended. So if you want to die cut them from paper, you have that option with this die set.
Wow.
And it all comes detabbed on a magnet for you. So this one is going to be used quite often.
I can't wait to see what the designers did with that, because you know they probably knocked it out of the park.
They always do. They always do. Then we have the foilet for Treat Your Shelf. So if you like to add even more extra details, maybe some of that gold gilding on the spines of your books, this is going to allow you to do that. So it's 6x6 pieces that you can line up perfectly with the stencil and blend the books and then foil in whatever color you would like. So that's the foilet, Treat Your Shelf. And then, as always, we have our envelope seals. So if you're making a card and sending it and you want to coordinate everything all together, there's a couple different options here. We have Happy Mail with a stack of books, and then we have Hello with a stack of books as well.
This is one of my most favorite parts of our card making kits is the
stickers.
I have to buy them every time. I'm like, oh, do I need this? Yes, I do. Because if I'm going to make a book card, I need to have matching envelope seals.
Book sticker.
It makes my life so complete.
So all of these items, as I mentioned, were part of the Big Book Bundle. So you can purchase that, which includes the kit plus all 5 of these items. Or if you wish, you can pick and choose and add these on separately. Now let me talk about some other items that are not part of the Big Book Bundle, but are new to our website, or that you can purchase additional if you need extras. We do have the insiders for Treat Your Shelf. These are available outside of the kit as well. We know a lot of our customers like to have more than what's included in the kit, so you can get that as well. And then we have another bookmark die set. This one is called Get Thready Corner Bookmark. This was offered at our Stamp Joy event this past fall, and it is a stitching die. So I know stitching dies aren't everyone's thing, so we wanted to offer both bookmark options, but if you love to stitch, then this corner bookmark can be cut from paper or felt and then stitched on the holes that are provided. So we have some fun samples of that hopefully we can show you guys on Tuesday. So, all right, next up, as I mentioned earlier, we are adding a couple of new products. Super excited to be bringing in these products from Pear Blossom Press. We have the candle light, which you can push the button, which turns the light on, and then you blow the light out.
What?
I know. Like you blow it out with your breath, and then the light turns off.
This is amazing.
So it's super fun. Tune in on Tuesday to learn more about the candle light and also the one light. We're actually going to be talking with Amanda, the owner of Pear Blossom Press, who designed these lights. She's going to be with us on Tuesday, so definitely tune in, and we're going to teach you how to use these lights. And let me show you just really quick. This is one of the projects we'll be creating on Tuesday, but this is why we designed those dies, the lamp and the candle, to have an opening in there. So when you push where it says push, the light turns on.
Wow!
I know, it's amazing, right?
You made that card?
I made this card.
I love it.
And we're gonna make this on Tuesday during the live while Amanda is here. And the other one that you see in your tailored tutorial is this one. So if you want to put a candle on a stack of books that says Treat Your Shelf, it's your birthday, buy more books. And then look at this fun light up element again. The lights that I'm showing you here, these are both one light here, but we'll have some other things to share with you with the candle light as well, where you would blow out. So you would push this and it would stay lit until you blow it out.
Wow.
I know, so innovative and fun. Just really fun way to have an interactive element in your projects. And we're excited to have those options for the lamp and the candle.
I love how easy these are to use. I watched you put these cards together and talk to Amanda when she was at Stamp Joy. She is lovely. I'm excited to hear from her on Tuesday and get some more information, but she's like, you can do this.
It's super easy.
It
simple.
is. Yes.
It's not, these one lights are, let me just pull one out so you guys can see, but these are not like, we used to have to build a whole maze of wires and tape and special copper tape, and these are super easy. You just simply take the battery, slide it in this little opening here, and then push the button and it lights up.
Wow.
That's it. And incorporating them into your cards is even easier. So
yes. I have so many ideas already. I'm like,
we're going to have fun with those. Okay, well, let's take a look at some coordinating. A lot of our design team members did both coordinating cards and bookmarks. So I showed you this card that I created. This is a bookmark that I made as well. Kind of a fun little element here is you could put one of our little small magnetic discs on the back of your bookmark, and then it just clasps magnetically around your page. The little hugger dies, yes. I know, our I'm a Hugger collection I found fits perfectly with a stack of books. Look at that little fox peeking over the top. I think that just was really fun. Jill Hawkins, look at her cute set of coordinating bookmark and card. I love how she's got that note paper in the background. And if I get it to the light, you can see she used the foil-it for details on those books. And then over here, she used the die cut books on the bookmark. I think that looks really fun. And then Heather, she took her own illustrations for a ride in this set of projects. Look at how pretty those are. And hers actually lights up as well. So you just press right there and that lamp lights up. She has her bookmark. I love how she used her embroidery floss to create a fun tassel from the top of that. I think that's really fun. And I love her colors.
I do too. I love she used that fine.
Oh, the fine line script background. Yes, that's
it just
a perfect
works seamless with this theme.
It does. Another one that we found was really fun with this theme is this background. So both Jill and I used this one on our cards. This is the split background. Up Against a Wall is the name of that one. So you can kind of place your books on the shelf and have your wallpaper behind. Love these bright colors on this one. Actually, is this Lori? Yeah, I think I said Jill. I meant Lori. Lori created this one, and I love these bright, fun colors of the books that she has.
I love the kitty.
And the kitty on top.
Yes.
So now you're understanding all of the different elements in this kit and what they kind of bring to the kit. You can put your candle on top of the stack to make a little book cake. The kitty can sit on top, the lamp can sit on top, or it can just be part of your scene as well. So Susan created this one. I love these colors too, and with that foil is super fun. Looks really pretty. And then the last one I have to show you today, I'll have some more on Tuesday, so tune in for the live. But Lori did this one, which is kind of like sleep is good, books are better. She's got her nighttime clouds and dreaminess happening with these pretty pastel colors with the books up in the clouds. And I love her alphabet in the background too. So super, super cute. All right, well, let me bring back some of these samples one last time, and then you guys can get one more picture before you join us on Tuesday when you will learn how to use these fun lights and hear more from Amanda at Pear Blossom Press. And until then, Whitney and I are going to say farewell. Thanks for tuning in for our release reveal, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah, we'll see you on Tuesday.